Hey guys, it's Crystal back with another video for you. The brakes are on, they are bled, and now it's time to see how it feels, so stay tuned to see how that goes. Before we take the car out, I just wanted to show you guys what the finished product looks like in the light. So here we are with our Porsche 986 Brembo brakes. We have the Mini Cooper rotors. So this is that Frankenstein build that I was telling you about by Home Development. These are raised 57DRs and 15x8 plus 35. I think the fitment is perfect. They look so good in the light. I am very impressed with the finished product. Let me know what you guys think. If you like this, give this video a thumbs up. Just some info on the brakes. We have stainless steel brake lines, an Integra Type R brake booster, a Civic SI proportioning valve, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So all those things should give me a really good brake feel. I also wanted to mention that the brake pads that I'm using are the stock Brembo brake pads. So yeah guys, this is pretty much what I have going on. Let me know what you guys think. So I actually dialed in this ride height here. So this is about, oh my gosh, like not even a full finger in that. But let me know what you guys think. This is the look that I was going for. I think I might need to raise the back a little bit, but overall this is the finished look. I love the lines of the car, especially in the light here. You can see how nicely everything flows together. Okay, so let's drive it and see how it feels. Okay, so now it's time to take this out for a spin. So here we go. Coming up to my first stop. I'm gonna go ahead and, oh my gosh. So right off the bat guys, I can feel how the huge difference in the brakes. So my brakes before were feeling really mushy, just kind of loose. And now I feel like they're more firm, which is nice, but it doesn't feel like the bite is too crazy. So I'm not jolting forward or anything, but I do feel like they're a lot more responsive. Overall, guys, the mushiness is gone. I am so impressed with the brake feel. I just have a lot more confidence in my brakes, and then I just feel like my daily driving is gonna be a lot more enjoyable. So we are just kind of testing it out today to see how the brakes feel on the road, but I am very excited to take this out to the canyon to see how it holds up there. But for anybody who's in the market for a brake upgrade, I definitely recommend this setup and to go through Home Development. Their whole process was so easy to follow, and it was honestly really easy to install. And you saw my videos. If you guys need anything to reference, 10 out of 10. Love it. The next little thing that I have to show off today is this slow flash relay. So I found this on eBay by Ryan Durr. So I wanted to support him. I really like his build and thought this would be a little cool thing to have. So basically what this does, it just slows down your turn signal light and your emergency light flashes. So nothing too crazy, but you're gonna go ahead and remove this panel here that comes right down below. And it's just like a unplug and plug in kind of thing. Really easy. So before I put in the modified relay, I'm gonna show you guys what the stock one looks like so you can compare. So we're gonna replace our genuine relay with this relay that was modified by Ryan Durr. So reaching down here, I just unplugged the genuine one. And I'm gonna have to get in a funky angle because I need to be able to see the prongs, so excuse me. Okay, so the new relay is in. Let's see how it looks. So yeah guys, that's basically it. It's pretty much half of the speed of the stock one. But yeah, let me know what you think. I just thought it'd be a little fun something to get. I think it definitely makes my car a little bit more unique compared to everybody else, so always for that. So I had a lot of people asking me where my rear window visor was. So sad story guys, I was out doing some errands, went into the store, came out, and my window visor was gone. So I went ahead and got a replacement. As you guys know, I'm a big fan of HIC USA, so this is my new HIC rear window visor that I will be reinstalling today. So a little backstory on HIC USA. They are known to make window visors and car accessories for all types of makes, so I am a huge fan of theirs. So HIC is also partnered with Cruise Design, who make spoiler accessories for all types of newer Hondas, so I will definitely link their information down below in case you want to check them out. I am a huge fan of theirs, always have great quality products and great customer service as well. So I have done an install video on these before that I will link for you guys in case you want to see it. So I'm not going to go into a lot of detail, but a little bit. So it does come wrapped like so. It comes with the hardware that you're going to need. So all we're going to be basically doing is prepping this area and then installing the visor. Here we go. Okay, so now that we have the rear window visor in place, we're just gonna add these two support brackets on either side. Okay, so the window visor is installed. I absolutely love this look on all of my cars, and actually as I'm looking at it here, it looks kind of cool when I have my sunroof up. It gives the car a lot sportier of a look, and I think on the coupes, it just completes it and makes it look fierce. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below, and if you like it, give me a thumbs up. So yeah guys, that is basically all that I have. So 10 out of 10 for the brakes. I love the blinker relay that I got, and I feel complete again with that HIC rear window visor. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. If you liked what I did today, give me a thumbs up. But yeah, that is basically all that I have. So subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for next time. Queen BRZ out.